Thank you for scanning the QR code and watching our fabric installation video. Step 1. Pull your graphic out of the bag and lay it flat on a clean surface. Pick up the graphic carefully and walk towards your lightbox or frame. Put in your top, left, and right corners at least 6 inches on each side and place the Matrix Frame USA card you received to hold it securely. Step 2. Put your bottom left and bottom right corners of the graphic at least 6 inches on each side. Step 3. Go back to the top and put the middle part of the graphic in the silicone groove and push the Matrix Frame USA card you received in the same groove to hold it in place. Once in there, start to move to the left and right towards your corners, pushing in your graphic, careful to not stretch. Step 4. Once the top of the graphic is in the groove, go to the bottom and repeat the same steps. Step 5. Once the top and bottom are secure, push in the vertical sides of your graphic into the grooves. Your graphic should fit tightly and securely on all 4 sides, and you can remove the card. You can use this card to make any finishing touches on all 4 sides. Great to use in the corners as well. Thanks for being a wonderful partner of Matrix Frame USA.